A well-trained dog is a happy dog. When your dog understands how to walk on a leash properly, it opens up a world of possibilities for both of you. Not only does it make daily walks more enjoyable, but it also ensures that your dog is safe and secure at all times. Leash training is important for you and your furry friend. It's not just about control, it's about communication and trust. When you and your dog are in sync, walks become a shared experience rather than a tug-of-war. It keeps your dog safe on walks. Whether you're strolling through a quiet park or navigating a busy street, a leash acts as a lifeline, keeping your dog close and out of harm's way. It's a simple tool that can prevent accidents and ensure your dog's well-being. A leash prevents them from running into traffic or getting lost. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your dog won't dart into the street or chase after a squirrel. A leash gives you control in unpredictable situations, making every outing safer. Leash training also makes public outings more enjoyable. You can confidently take your dog to cafes, parks, and other public places without worrying about them misbehaving. A well-trained dog is a joy to be around and can even become a positive ambassador for other dogs. Leash training builds a strong bond between you and your dog. The time you spend training is an investment in your relationship. It's a chance to understand each other better and to develop mutual respect. This bond is the foundation of a happy and harmonious life together. It teaches your dog to focus and follow your lead. When your dog learns to pay attention to you, it becomes easier to guide them through various situations. This focus is crucial for their safety and your peace of mind. This creates a calmer and more balanced dog. A dog that knows what's expected of them is less likely to be anxious or stressed. Leash training provides structure and routine, which are essential for a dog's mental and emotional well-being. In the end, a well-trained dog is not just a happy dog, but also a well-adjusted and confident companion. Before you begin training, you need the right equipment. The right leash and collar can make a significant difference in your dog's training experience and overall comfort. It's essential to choose wisely to ensure both safety and effectiveness. Choose a leash that is comfortable to hold and the appropriate length for your dog's size. Leashes come in various materials such as nylon, leather, and even eco-friendly options. Each material has its pros and cons, so consider what works best for you and your dog. Nylon leashes are durable and easy to clean, while leather leashes offer a classic look and feel. A standard 6-foot leash is a good starting point. This length provides enough freedom for your dog to explore while still giving you control. It's perfect for everyday walks and basic training sessions. If you have a larger yard or go to open spaces, you might also consider a longer leash for more freedom. For collars, consider a flat buckle collar or a harness. Flat buckle collars are simple and effective, making them a popular choice for many dog owners. They are easy to put on and take off and can be adjusted to fit your dog comfortably. Harnesses, on the other hand, are excellent for dogs that tend to pull or have respiratory issues. Harnesses distribute pressure more evenly, which is especially important for dogs that pull. They can help prevent injuries to your dog's neck and throat, making walks more enjoyable for both of you. When choosing a harness, make sure it fits snugly but not too tight, and check for any signs of chafing or discomfort. Avoid choke chains or prong collars, as these can cause discomfort or injury. These types of collars can be harmful and are generally not recommended by veterinarians and professional trainers. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement techniques and tools that promote a healthy and happy training experience for your dog. Remember, the goal is to build a strong, trusting relationship with your furry friend. The best time to start leash training is when your dog is a puppy. Puppies are naturally curious and full of energy, making them more receptive to new experiences and training. Starting early helps establish good habits and ensures that your puppy grows up to be a well-behaved dog. Puppies are eager to learn and adapt quickly to new experiences. Their playful nature makes training sessions enjoyable for both the puppy and the owner. By incorporating play into training, you can make the learning process fun and engaging for your puppy. However, even older dogs can be leash trained with patience and consistency. While it may take a bit more time and effort, older dogs are capable of learning new behaviors. The key is to be patient and consistent with your training methods, rewarding positive behavior and gently correcting mistakes. Begin by introducing the collar or harness gradually. Allow your puppy to sniff and explore the collar or harness before putting it on. This helps them become familiar with the new object and reduces any anxiety they may have. Let your puppy wear it for short periods inside the house. Start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as your puppy becomes more comfortable. This gradual approach helps your puppy adjust to the sensation of wearing a collar or harness without feeling overwhelmed. This helps them get used to the feeling before you attach the leash. Once your puppy is comfortable wearing the collar or harness, you can introduce the leash. Allow your puppy to drag the leash around the house under supervision, so they get used to the weight and movement of the leash. This step is crucial in ensuring that your puppy feels at ease when you eventually start walking them outside. Before you start leash training, ensure your dog knows basic commands like sit, stay, and come. These commands are essential for control and safety during walks. Use positive reinforcement techniques to teach these commands. Reward your dog with treats, praise, or a favorite toy when they perform the desired action. Once your dog is comfortable wearing a collar or harness, introduce the leash. Attach the leash and let your dog drag it around in a safe, enclosed area. Supervise your dog closely. Make sure they don't get tangled or chew on the leash. The goal is to help them associate the leash with positive experiences. Section 6. First steps. Walking on a loose leash. Now it's time to start walking. Hold the leash loosely and walk at a normal pace. Encourage your dog to walk beside you without pulling. If your dog pulls, stop walking immediately. Wait for them to stop pulling and look at you before continuing. Remember, pulling should not be rewarded with forward movement. Section 7. Troubleshooting. Common challenges and solutions. Leash training is not always easy. Common challenges include pulling, lunging, and distractions. If your dog pulls, use a penalty yard technique. When they pull, immediately change direction and walk in the opposite direction. This teaches them that pulling results in an undesirable outcome. Section 8. Positive reinforcement. Rewarding good behavior. Positive reinforcement is key to successful leash training. When your dog walks calmly on a loose leash, reward them generously. Use treats, praise, petting, or a combination of these rewards. This positive association helps your dog understand what behavior you're looking for. Section 9. Building up. Distance, duration, and distractions. As your dog progresses, gradually increase the distance, duration, and distractions during your walks. Start with short walks in familiar, low-distraction environments. Over time, introduce more challenging environments, such as busy streets or parks with other dogs. This helps your dog generalize their leash training skills. Section 10. Conclusion. Enjoying the freedom of a well-trained walk. Leash training takes time, patience, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth the effort. A well-trained dog can enjoy the freedom to explore the world safely and calmly by your side. Remember, leash training strengthens your bond and enhances the joy of having a canine companion. So, grab that leash, step outside, and enjoy the journey.